Today I'm combining mushrooms and potatoes to make a savory treat which is a perfect blend of texture and flavors. So let's see the recipe for mushroom potato parcels. So first I'm going to chop up some potatoes finely and try to squeeze out as much water as you can. This will help in cooking the potatoes faster and also prevent the parcels to become soggy. All the prep is done and now let's turn on the heat. Add in a tablespoon of oil in the pan, a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, also finely chopped onion. Saute these for a few seconds. Do not brown the onions. Add in the finely chopped potatoes. Make sure you saute all of this on high flame. I've taken about 10 to 12 button mushrooms. Cook the vegetables quickly. I only want to cook them till they are half done. Tear in a few basil leaves, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 heaped teaspoon of corn flour. Cook the vegetables on high flame and you need to cook them only till they're 50% done. Turn off the flame. Add in 1 spring onion finely chopped as well as the greens, salt to taste, crushed black pepper. Give it a final stir. Remove it over a plate and cool the mixture down. I also have a pan filled with oil that's heating up. I have some samosa patties that I've covered with a wet muslin cloth, and the next step is to make some corn flour slurry. So in a bowl, take around 2 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch. Add in some water, maybe around 3 tablespoons. Give it a mix and make sure there are no lumps. Let's shape the samosa patties to make the parcel. Take a few. Fold the samosa patties into half and just tear them. And now let's take this half, fold it vertically and now tear them. So for each parcel, you need 2 strips like these. Extra ones under the muslin cloth. Take some corn flour slurry and just brush it in the center. Place the other strip making a plus sign. Just place a teaspoon of the filling in the center. Take one side of the lower strip and continue sealing the parcel. Brush some corn flour slurry on the last part and stick it. In this way, let's shape up the remaining parcels. The parcels are shaped and now they are ready to fry. If you wish to freeze them, you can half fry them and then store it in a good container. Let's just add them to the oil. Fry them till they are crispy and golden brown in color. Remove it in a netted colander. Serve these crispy mushroom potato parcels with some ketchup or chili sauce. I'm sure kids are going to love it, adults are going to love it. It's going to be a hit in your parties. Do try this recipe at home, comment below and subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.